Hello and welcome back. The hello component could be written as an arrow function. Arrow functions are a new, more concise syntax for writing functions in JavaScript. So instead of writing a function that adds two numbers, function add a, b, return a plus b, we can define it as an arrow function. A, b, arrow, return a plus b. We need to assign it to a constant for reuse. Now, if a function block contains a single return statement, we can assign the value directly. We can simplify the hello component in the very same way. Let's remove the add function and rewrite our component. Okay, the app works. Let's combine several hello components and display them in our app one by one. We need another component for that, which we will call a container. It will be a functional component implemented with an arrow function. Now, if you remember, I mentioned that React component must return a single React element. Here, we've got an array of elements. We need some kind of wrapping component, and this is exactly how we use Vue. Let's import it. Think of Vue as some kind of a container that groups child components. It works similar to div in HTML. Nothing has changed because we still export hello component. I change it to container, and now we've got 3 instances displayed, just as expected. Please note that we wrapped our component with brackets. This is a common way of writing a code for a multi-line components. The app works, but all the hello components work exactly the same. Imagine that I want to greet different people with their names. Let's pass a name as a parameter. So first we greet Sarah, then Tim, and then Alan. Functional component can take a single parameter, which is a properties object. It contains all the properties passed to the component. I can access the components hello as props name. When we use curly braces, it means that the expression will be evaluated and its value printed. Let's save and see how it works. We've got, just as expected, we have 3 different greetings. So we simplified the hello component with an arrow function. Then created a component consisting of several children and used properties to pass data down to the hello component.